Hi, welcome to my YouTube tutorial video series. This is a collaboration between Financial Freedom Hub channel and YouTube Academy channel. YouTube Academy channel is a new channel I've started to train and to coach people who want to start a YouTube channel and turn it into a business. So this is a collaboration between Financial Freedom Hub, where you are watching this video, and then YouTube Academy. If you want to know more about YouTube, you want to learn YouTube, and you become a professional YouTuber and creator, then I'll be leaving the link to this new channel in the descriptions and then the comments section. You can subscribe, and so that you can avail yourself to tutorials and many teachings that will be coming on how to become a YouTube professional and probably begin to make money either part-time or full-time on YouTube. But for this video, we are looking at 4 ways to make money with your YouTube channel. There are many ways you can make money with your YouTube channel, but I want to talk on 4 ways. Basically, I'm going to start a new series on how to make money in 2021 online. So this is the first one we are looking at, because this one you can start it without any initial investment. With zero capital, free, you can start a YouTube channel, and within months, if you work hard, you can start making money on YouTube. I'll be showing many other ways you can make money, like starting an e-commerce business, like drop shipping, starting a new blog, affiliate marketing, many other ways. So it's a new series I'm beginning on Financial Freedom Hub to show you some of the side incomes. It is known that people who become financially free or attain financial freedom or become millionaires, they have a minimum of 7 income streams, 7 channels of income to them. That is 7 streams of income. So with your one source of income, you can't be thinking of financial freedom. So with your little income you have to learn many other ways. So in 2021, what are some of the ways we can make money online and offline? That's a new series I'm beginning, and this is the first one. And I want to show you how you can make money on YouTube, and I want to show you 4 quick ways of making money on YouTube. And so if you want the details, remember to subscribe to the YouTube Academy. I'll be leaving the link in the description and then the comment section, and then you can subscribe to the channel, avail yourself, and then begin to learn. All right, so let's go in quickly and look at 4 ways to make money with your YouTube channel. So assume that you have a YouTube channel and then it has started growing, so you just want to learn how to make money with that channel. Remember to subscribe to our channel, the Financial Freedom Hub, and then also the YouTube Academy. Turn on the notification, like and comment, and then above all, share our videos if they are a blessing to you. All right, so number 1 way to make money on YouTube channel is the YouTube Partner Program. That is the basic way of making money, which is provided by YouTube themselves. So once you have a channel, you have a requirement to meet, and the requirement is that you must have 1,000 subscribers. So once your channel attains that 1,000 subscribers and then 4,000 viewership hours, live views on your channel, 4,000 hours of view of video. It doesn't matter how many videos you have, if it is 1, if it's 10, if it's 20. Once you get 4,000 hours of viewership on your channel and you have 1,000 subscribers, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. And what is the YouTube Partner Program? Now, the YouTube Partner Program basically is that once your channel reaches that, YouTube will begin, you subscribe, and then you activate advertising on your channel. Now you realize that anytime you are watching YouTube videos, you see that adverts break in for seconds, and then you can now cut them off, and then you continue watching your video. Those adverts you watch is what we refer to as the YouTube Partner Program. So you partner with YouTube. YouTube is an advertising company, but you create your channel, you create your videos, and then they put their adverts on your videos. So your videos become like a billboard for them to advertise. And then once they get the advertising fee, they share with you. You get 50 to 60% of that, and then YouTube also gets a cut. That is why it is called the partner program. So you partner with YouTube, and then they do their advertising, and then you get a portion or a percentage of the revenue. That is the main form of income. I'll be showing you an example on one of my channels when we get to the end of this presentation. So watch to the end. I'll show you an example of how you can make money, especially with this YouTube partner program. Live example on the channel, my channel. All right, so the second way to make money with YouTube is through YouTube merchandise program. So it means apart from advertising or allowing or partnering with YouTube to show adverts, you can also make your own products or services, and then you can sell on YouTube. It can be physical products, it can be digital products, and then you sell them on your channel. Okay, so that is the second way of making money. So you sell your own products. So it can be maybe t-shirt, it can be maybe some branded products, branded wear, or whatever, caps, whatever. And then you sell it on your YouTube channel officially, and then you can make additional income through YouTube merchandise program. So that's the second way. If you have your own product, you have your own service, you can list it for sale on your channel, and then you can make additional income besides the YouTube partner program income that you earn. All right, so that is the second way of making money on YouTube. You sell your own products on your YouTube channel. Then the third way to make money with your YouTube channel is affiliate marketing programs. So apart from selling your own products, you can sell other people's products. If you can't create your own product, you don't have your own service to sell, and then there are other lucrative businesses that have products and services around, you can partner with them, and then you can sell their products. There are different ways you can do this. Either you can you can do videos, and this one works with review videos. So you want to do a review on a product you have used and you know that it's very good, and then you want to promote that product. You can do a review video on that product, and then you can put your affiliate link in the video or in the description. And if people like what they see or what they watch, what they view, then they can follow the link and then go and purchase the product, and then you get a percentage of the cost of the product. That is how affiliate marketing works. Or you can use your YouTube channel to drive traffic to your blog. Maybe you have a blog where you blog on a particular product or particular line of products, and you have affiliate products listed there. And then you use your video to drive traffic to that blog, and then people go to the blog, they watch, they read about your products, and they like, they buy, and then you make money. That is video marketing, and you can use your YouTube channel to do that effectively. So these are the first three ways. Number one, we said partner program. Number two, the merchandise program. And then number three, affiliate marketing program. You can sell other people's products. Go to many of the affiliate marketing platforms, and you can get thousands and hundreds of thousands of products you can easily sell on YouTube and make some good money. Then the fourth and the last for this, I've reserved the others. If you want to know more, subscribe to the YouTube Academy, where we talk extensively of how to make money on YouTube. All right. So the fourth way you can make money with YouTube is through ads and sponsorships or sponsored programs. So apart from YouTube partner program, where YouTube places ads, if you are able to grow your channel and then the numbers of subscription and viewership increases and enters hundreds of thousands and millions, corporate institutions and corporate organizations can decide to sponsor your YouTube program, your YouTube videos or YouTube channel, and so that you can promote their companies and their products and their services through those programs. So, and that sponsorship is quite heavy. You can earn better money than the YouTube partner program, because the partner program is based on 1,000 views, and sometimes it can be as small as $5, $4 for 1,000 views. But this one, once you get a very good company that is ready to sponsor you, or you get a huge public figure that is ready to sponsor your channel and then your videos, you can get a huge cut on that. And then if you get the numbers, you can also sell advertising. Apart from the YouTube partner program advertising, you can sell advertising space on your channel as well to companies, and this payment can be very, very lucrative. So making money with ads and sponsored programs, that is, you sell advertising space, and then you can also sell or get sponsorship for your channel. All right, so that is it. Let me just take you quickly back and then show you an example of the YouTube partner program and earning. So this is my channel. This is the Financial Freedom Hub, and let's go to the analytics and then let's look at it. So you can look at this, the channel information, the views in the last 28 days. So this is the statistics for the last 28 days. All right, so let's go to revenue. Okay, so this is it. You can see the revenue here. So this tells you what this is your earning in the last 28 days. So this is the RPM, which means the revenue per mil. That's revenue per 1,000 views. That's 5.99. That's the revenue per 1,000 views on this channel for this period. Sometimes it can increase, sometimes it can come down depending on the activity. And this is what the advertising fee YouTube gets, and you get this cut on it. All right, so let's go down and then you see. All right, so this is the monthly estimated revenue. Okay, so you see it from September. So the last 6 months, it picks the last 6 months and then it shows you. So from September, this is the estimated income that was generated for every month. So the September was 175, October was 199.79, November was 259, December was 687, and then January was 536. February just started. Today is the 4th, and then this one is 2 days behind. So this is just the first 2 days earning 12.45. I've not had any activity for the past 3 or 4 days, no posting yet. So you can see the revenue has dropped. But so that is the partner program revenue. Okay, so this is the partner program revenue. When you come down here, it's talking of revenue sources. Okay, these are the other revenue sources. So this is the estimated ads revenue. That's the partner program ads revenue, what you've earned from the advertising YouTube places. And then there are people who are premium members on YouTube. They watch the videos without adverts showing on their videos because they have paid subscription fee as premium members. So they watch ad-free videos on YouTube, but the charges they pay to YouTube as subscription fee, YouTube shares part of it with you as the creator per the views on your channel within those 28 days. So you can see that within this period, these last 28 days, where the ads revenue is 376, the premium revenue is 0.90 because of the volumes or the views on my channel for that period. So that is the YouTube channel partner program earning. That's how it looks like. And here you can see the top earning videos for the period. Within the last period we are looking at, so these are the top earning videos. The topmost is 44.83, followed by 38.29. So you can know every video, its performance financially on the channel, how much it is giving you. So once you do your channel and your channel gets 1,000 subscriptions and then 4,000 hours of viewership, you qualify, and then you can apply for the partner program. There are many other things that you have to have in place, like you must have an AdSense account, which we'll be looking at in the YouTube Academy. That is why you must subscribe to that channel so that you learn comprehensively how to run a YouTube channel as a business or for business purposes, and you can make money. All right, so basically this is what the partner program earning looks like. So You can watch it every month. You will earn depending on your views. If you get more views into thousands and tens of thousands, I can bet you in subsequent videos I'll be doing exclusively on YouTube Academy, I'll be showing you channels that are making huge monies. I'll show you the 10 top earners on YouTube in 2020. And then you will see people are making money in 21 million, 30 million, etc. for the year 2020. So YouTube can be lucrative and you don't need money to start a YouTube channel. Once you have your laptop and has a good camera, you just maybe need a software for screencasting if you want to do screencast videos, or you need a small video camera if you have a very good smartphone with very good camera. You can use it to start. So you don't need any initial capital to start a YouTube channel and grow it to the time you start making money. After that, you can decide to invest in complicated equipment and then softwares, and then to beef up and to build a business and then scale it up. So that is it. 4 ways you can make money with your YouTube channel. All right, so remember to subscribe to our channel, and then remember to turn on the notification, like our and comment on our videos. If you have any question, leave a comment and then I'll get back to you real time. Share our videos, and God bless you. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.